today I'm launching Florence, an AI-ready design system built at Human AI Studio. Right now, when you prompt, your agents generate user interfaces that's not connected to the design system, and it starts producing AI slobs that you pretty much not useful, and the components are not production ready, and it starts generating random stuff. And you almost like wasting a lot of the tokens and burning your credits. And so sometimes even if you have a design system, the agents are not able to retrieve that, so you can generate on brand user interfaces. That's to solve that problem. I started building Florence, and the Florence built from the ground up in such a way that the agents can understand better through like component contracts, intents, and how the architecture is set up, that the agents can understand, so that humans can ship fast and prototype faster and able to generate user interfaces that directly connected to the design system. So for the first shot, when I tried it, it went from 0 to 73% retrieval accuracy. Without it, if you had to like spend so much time prompting in order to create a decent dashboard. But now it had the 73% retrieval accuracy even at the first shot. That means after a few more prompting, you will be able to get perfect user interfaces without the slop. So I'm launching the beta version of it, and I do have plans for it to evolve to like design canvas. Right now it's a component library built with React, and it's available for like a demo. I decided to launch the beta version of it. I've been working on it for a while, and so the goal is to build up a design system that helps you build user interfaces faster, and it's connected to a design system. And Florence also led to develop a methodology that makes an existing design system agent ready. If you want to take a look at Florence, go to humanaistudio.io/Florence.